Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. So today we are going to learn about the static methods and the properties in the TypeScripts. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Static properties and the methods are shared by all instances of a class. A static class method is a method that belongs to the class itself, not the instance of a class. That means we don't need an object to call a static class method. We call them directly from the class itself. Let's take an example. So this is the class that is math operations, okay, and they have a static pi number is 3.14, and the static function method that is static calculate circumference diameter and the number return the diameter math operations. So here you can see we call the const diameter 10, then console.log circumference math operations. Okay, so this is basically the class dot calculate circumference. This is the static method, right? So here we are passing the diameter. Output should be this, and the console.log the value of the pi. You can also directly assess the static variable. You can see static variable over here, math operations dot pi. It also logs that one. So let's refine that one, what exactly the function is does. The math operations class defines a static property pi that holds the value of pi. Static property of a pi, this is a static property that holds the value that is 3.14, right? The class also defines a static method. This is method, this is the property. Okay, so the method circumference, which calculates the circumference of the circle on the given diameter using the formula diameter into math pi operations. Okay, the static method and the property are assessed directly. So we have done the directly assess on the class using the class name math operation dot calculate circumference and the math operations dot pi. Okay, so this is we have done in the example. So let's take an example of the key points. Okay, so static properties are shared among all instances of the class and can be assessed using the class name. Got it? Static methods do not have access to the instance specific data as they are not associated with the specific instance. They are not associated with the specific instance, so you can access this directly. Static methods and the properties are defined using the static keyword. Got it? Static properties can hold data that is constant. So here you can see that static property that holds the data which is static, right? Static properties can hold the data that is constant across the instances like the shared constant value. Static methods are often used for utility functions that are not specific to the instance but are still related to the class. Static methods and the properties are useful for creating utility functions, managing shared resources, and providing the class level behavior that doesn't require individual instance constant. Means in over the whole it says that we don't need to create the instance of that one. We can directly assess the static methods and the properties directly. Okay, so this is the tutorial on about the static methods and the properties in the TypeScript. So any doubt, any query in that, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.